Alright guys, this one has been hot from the oven. Yummy lasagna. Let's do the mukbang. What's your dinner, everybody? Yum. Oh, full of nice yummy goodies in this. No. With all the cheese everywhere. This is a cheating day, so you can eat whatever you want to eat. But mind you guys, can't eat this every day. Very, very rich food. It's okay sometimes. Oh, very satisfying. Especially the cheese and the veggies. Yum. Look at this cheese. So yummy. Early birds catches the nice worm. And here it is. Come on, eat some for me. Yum. That's a big one. Oh, with all the lasagna sheets and cheeses. Cannot cut it now. Well, it's a really good source of protein here, you know. The cheese. Veggies and nice baba. Let's eat. That was big. Yum. Bon appetit, everybody. Itadakimasu. Thanks Lord for the food. Give these nutrients to us. And yummy. Still have some cheese. I'm full already. Very rich in food.